Okay, we have a leaking faucet. It's a Moen that uses the 52001, and for the hot, the 52000. Today we're just replacing the cold because that's the one that's leaking. So we covered the drain, we shut off the cold water, and now we're going to use a T25 torx to undo the cold handle. Pop the handle off, and then you're gonna need to pry this collar off. Use a small flathead screwdriver. And then we need an adjustable wrench to take this collar off. It has a fitting up here you can grab onto with your wrench. It's going to be a little stuck. Once it comes free, you're in the clear. This has a rubber seal on it that can be replaced. We're not replacing that today though. And then there's two slots on each side of this. In here, you're going to use a flathead screwdriver that fits in that hole and pop it out just like that. You might experience some water coming out of this, but your water's off, so it should stop. And then we're just going to put this back in. It should go in smooth. It's a little hard. And then we'll put this collar back on. Make sure you don't cross thread it. There should be a nice bottom to that. I'm gonna put this back on. That's on. I can go a little further. There we go. That should be off. Okay, we should be good. Let's turn the water on. Okay, it's open and no leaks so far. So let's see. No drip. It was dripping every second, so there's definitely, it's better. All good.